To create a gold text effect, first of all, I will use a golden color background. Create a new layer over this background layer. Select Text tool. I am using Bell MT font. Click on the canvas. Write gold with uppercase. Position the text on the center of the canvas. Double-click on the color section. Write the color code FFC000 to get the gold color. Hit OK. Right-click on the text layer and select Blending option. Select Bevel and Emboss. From Style section, select Inner Bevel. Increase the depth to 1000. Keep the direction to up. Decrease the size to 16. Now, the text started to glow. From the shading option, choose the shading angle to 120 degree, and altitude to 20. Now the glow is looking realistic. From the gloss contour option, select ring contour. From the highlight mode, keep the opacity to 63. Now, select drop shadow. Keep the blend mode to multiply. The opacity to 100. Shadow angle to 120 degree. Keep the shadow distance to 12 pixel, spread 0, and size to 10. Then hit OK. So, here it is. Your gold text effect is ready. Follow our channel to know more.